My name is Amit. I'm one of the co-founders of Kelp DAO. Kelp is a liquidity staking platform, one of the largest. We have over $800 million of assets, primarily ETH and LSTs, restaked with Kelp on Ethereum mainnet as well as about 7 other L2s. We are a full suite protocol which accepts native ETH that we natively restake with validators and eigenlayer, and we also accept LSTs including ST, which is Lido's ETH, Stader's ETHX as well as Frax ETH as assets, and we obviously restake all of these on eigenlayer, and currently they're all farming eigenlayer points. Just wanted to zoom out and talk a little bit about the opportunity that is staking, liquid staking and restaking. All of you are familiar with liquid staking and staking. It's a $150 billion market opportunity and it's constantly growing compared to other L1s like Solana or Cosmos based chains. Staking can be as high as 60% of the total supply of a network, but on Ethereum it's very low. It's still about 20-25% and it is constantly growing. Obviously, staking platforms like validators or LST protocols, they take a percentage of staking rewards as revenue, and today Ethereum staking rewards are anywhere between 3.5 to 4%. So typically the market opportunity for these players are 10 to 15% of staking rewards as the revenue, right? But restaking kind of amplifies that opportunity significantly, because restaking has the ability to generate like 2 to maybe 5x higher staking rewards on the overall, hence increasing the pie of opportunity for all of the staking ecosystem players. So hence restaking or liquid restaking can be like orders of magnitude higher opportunity market than staking or liquid staking alone. So this is a market that cannot be ignored, and hence we already see like tens of billions of dollars flocking into restaking protocols, including eigenlayer, LRD protocols, just within the last few months, and all of these protocols have taken this market by storm. Chart is slightly outdated, but today's total restaked ETH on eigenlayer is more than $12 billion, out of which liquid restaking protocols contribute more than $8 or $9 billion. So that's a significant market opportunity just within a few months of launch of eigenlayer, right? And this market opportunity can, I think, probably double or triple by the end of this year or early next year. That's the forecast. Now let's talk a little bit about the key challenges that restaking kind of creates for the users and some of the other partners in the ecosystem. Obviously, it's very complex for an average user to select a particular operator and also the service that they want to restake their assets with. Why is it complex? Because you will have like dozens of operators providing validation services on the network, and also you will have like tens or maybe 20, 30, 40 services that are seeking economic security. So for an average user, decision making around which AVS to select or which operator to select is going to be extremely complex. They'll have to do a risk management across these spectrum of choices, and it's very hard for them. The second big difficulty is it's going to create like very complex user experience, because once they restake with multiple protocols, that is provide economic security to multiple services or actively validated services, they're going to get rewards in different tokens, either governance tokens of those protocols or stable coins or Ethereum. Now they have to claim each of these tokens individually. That means high gas fees on Ethereum mainnet, which is going to be like very, very expensive for an average user. The gas fees component is covered, and then they're going to have like liquidity constraints. Now protocols like eigenlayer impose a 7-day withdrawal window or unstaking period, during which users lose liquidity. And once they restake their ETH or LSTs on these protocols like Eigen, they cannot use those assets in DeFi again. So there's a problem of like lower yields that are being created by restaking protocols. So how do we solve this? LRDs or liquid restake tokens like Kelp DAO are an elegant way to solve all of these problems and simplify these things for the users. So that's where these come in, right? Like we enable liquidity for restaked assets. That means when users stake Ethereum or LSTs with protocols like Kelp, we issue a synthetic token called RSETH that can be used to exit out of their positions instantly, or use DeFi protocols like Aave or Uniswap or Curve to further enhance users' yields, right? And then we also simplify the decision making and user experience for an average crypto user. The way we do it is we select a bunch of high quality operators and services based on risk to reward, and we homogeneously offer it across all the users. So they don't have to invest their efforts in making decisions and doing a thorough risk management. Obviously, we claim all the rewards for the users and make it available to them in a single transaction. So that solves high gas problems for these users, right? Yeah, we obviously, by selecting the right set of AVSs and services that we restake with, so we obviously give these users risk adjusted rewards as well. The other interesting thing that we have enabled in the past couple of months is we know that there are millions of users on L2s, and L2s are probably the gateway to onboard an average non-crypto user today onto crypto, right? What we have enabled is we created a proprietary tech of our own on top of layer 0 that enables users on L2s to simply deposit their ETH with our contract and get our restake token called RSETH without going through the hassle of bridging ETH to mainnet. So that means millions of dollars of gas saved for users. So we already have like tens of thousands of users who are utilizing Kelp DAO to natively restake across, I think today, as of today, 7 L2s, and we are going to be live on 5 more L2s in the next couple of weeks. So those are some of the innovative things that we have already implemented across the board. Yeah, so that's RSETH is Kelp DAO's restaked asset. We, like I mentioned, we have already implemented native liquid restaking on L2s, secured by 3 comprehensive audits by Sigma Prime, Code Farina, and Mixbytes. We have over 30 plus, or maybe I think as of today, 50 plus DeFi opportunities that users can utilize our RSETH on across ETH, mainnet, as well as L2s to amplify their rewards. That's Kelp DAO, gentlemen, and happy to take any questions.